My name is Josh McAllister. I'm the Labour candidate to be the next MP here in West Cumbria, and really delighted to be at Whitehaven's first ever Pride.
It's been a great day. The music's great, everybody's in good spirits. The amount of stalls that are here, the amount of people getting involved. Honestly, I love Cumbria and everybody in it. And it's stuff like this that reminds you why you love it so much.
We're really excited to be here today. We work all around the world, but we don't get necessarily a chance to come to some places like Whitehaven. So we do have a team that work up here locally. They're quite a small team. And it's really great to be here by the Harbourside for Pride this weekend.
I would like to thank you all very much for having us today. We've had a brilliant day, loads of support for the local community. We've had lots of feedback from people who've used our services and thanking us for all we've done. And we've had a brilliant day, brilliant vibe, and really enjoyed it.
We are the North West Ambulance Charity, and we're here today supporting Pride by the Harbourside because we just think it's a wonderful celebration of bringing people from all walks of life together, regardless of gender, diversity, that type of thing. And as a charity, a lot of what we do is fundraising, positivity, and bringing those good vibes, and that's what we're here to do today.
It's absolutely great. Everybody's so happy. We've had loads of people coming and asking us questions, and it's a fantastic event. I hope there's one every year.
We actually love the fact that Whitehaven is having this Pride. I'm a Cumbrian lad and I was born in Whitehaven 52 years ago. So to come back here and celebrate LGBT is wonderful, and I'm so impressed. It's amazing.
This is an amazing event. It's like there's so many people out for Pride and it's really wonderful. And I just met E17 and saw one of them do a backflip. So all round it's incredible. Apparently this is the first one, but there's so many people here. It looks like an amazing event.